fairly rich, backfiring a lot. Double clutch it and get it in a second. Second gear is not happy, man. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about why I am such a great big idiot. And trust me, you'll see what I'm talking about when we get into the video. Alright, so the reason why I say I'm a great big idiot is because I thought I fixed the 4-valve swap, and it was fixed maybe for about a drive. I took a front main seal out of the 4-valve timing cover because it was, I guess it was ripped and it was leaking oil. So I called one of the car part stores in my area and they didn't have the seal. Before I thought to call the other parts store and see if they had it, I was like, oh, nobody's gonna have it on the island if they don't have it. And I was like, all right, I got some old timing covers in here, I'll just pop a seal out of one of those and put it into the motor. Big mistake. So now I gotta go do double work, and we gotta pull that seal back out because it's dripping ever so slightly. This is the brand new front main seal for my motor. It's a Felpro product, and this is the part number TCS 46114. Alright, so I gotta get to work tearing this thing apart, and then I can put this new one in, close everything back up, and then hopefully no more oil leaks. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we have the harmonic balancer out. Took it off with the puller, and this is the new seal. Time to get that old seal out, pop in the new seal, reinstall the balancer, and then check it for leaks. And hopefully this is the last time that we're going to be doing this. Alright, so finally got the crank pulley back on. We changed the front main seal again, and the seals, they look to be the same dimensions. They just look like a different build quality. The Ferropro one was definitely better, and we got the pulley on the same way we had it before. It's not touching the timing cover, and only thing left to do is start it up, and hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Alright, so we cranked it up as you guys have just seen, and I let this thing idle for a good while just now. No more oil leak. Thank you God. I've been working on this thing for so long. I need to change them plugs. I need to get the old style Cobra alternator for it, and a couple of other things, but for right now the car is running and it is driving perfectly fine. When I think I have about 50 miles on it, 48 miles on it to be exact. I need to put about 200 miles on this thing, and then we see where we are with it. Probably check compression, make sure everything is good on the cylinders, and if all is well, then we can contact the tuner and get a 4-valve tune on this Mustang GT computer, because that's actually what's running it right now. The factory GT ECU is running a 4-valve motor, and we need to get a 4-valve tune on this thing so we can actually take advantage of all the ponies and horses that the 4-valve motors make. But for right now, we're absolutely good to go. Thankfully, I got it fixed this time. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.